it's Caitlin Fagan of whatsupfagans.com, and today I have another tutorial for you. So if there's one thing that I need a lot of when I'm very pregnant, it's water. But I need to make sure that the water I'm drinking is good, clean, healthy water. So that's why I'm thankful for today's sponsor, which is Sears Parts Direct, so that they can help me and help you make sure that we change our water filter on our fridges every 6 months, or however the frequency is on your fridge. So I'm going to show you today how to change it on my old 2002, I think, KitchenAid side-by-side stainless steel fridge. And it's not that complicated. We got to make sure it happens, okay? So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to change your water filter is a new water filter. So this is the one that our landlord happened to leave for us. So it's a Whirlpool refrigerator ice and water filter number 4396510, and it is compatible with Whirlpool KitchenAid, which I have, and Maytag. So this though is on Sears Parts Direct, and you can get these, or you can get there's a couple other options for this fridge as well there. It shows me exactly where to change my water filter, which is at the bottom of my fridge. So it shouldn't be too hard, hopefully, to just swap this on out. All right, so here at the bottom of my fridge, you see the nice vent here, as well as in the opening for this. Now ours, I put this on just to show you, but ours is just kind of complicated. So ours is complicated than usually there. Now you should be able to reach it with or without that on there. But ours is just a twist, and you're going to kind of push it down, and then you have to turn really hard to get it out. Okay? And then you'll just pull it out once you turn it. Okay? So you have to turn all the way so that the lines are vertical. And you're just going to pull it out. You want to watch out, because if you put this on the floor, it will leak on your floor. So just make sure to put it upright and kind of out of the way for now. So we're going to open our new box. And to remove this part, so you're just going to easily slide it out, not a big deal. And then put it on your new filter. Okay? Now you're going to, again, vertical first. In there. You can really turn it. You'll hear kind of a sound, and then flip it up into place. While you're down here, go ahead and clean out all the dust and other things that you find underneath your fridge. Because look at all that dust in there. Reinstall your nice plastic gate, cover, whatever you call this, and you're done down here. Okay, now as you continue to follow the directions on your bottle, the last step is to make sure that you dispense and dispose of 3 gallons of water through the water dispenser, or continue flushing until the water becomes clear. So we're going to go ahead and do that. This pitcher is about 90 ounces, so I'm going to need about 4.5 of these, and that should be about 3 gallons. So I'm just going to go ahead and run it through. Trying to remember when to replace your filters can be a challenge. However, when you use Sears Parts Direct, you can actually subscribe to get the water filters you need delivered exactly when you need them, which is a great reminder that, oh yeah, it's time to change the water filter on the fridge again. You can get a subscription to get one every 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. In this case, I'll need to get one for every 6 months. And the prices are very good, especially compared to like KitchenAid parts for the same water filter. Is saving quite a bit of money getting the subscription. Be sure to check out Sears Parts Direct. The link's in the description of this video. And And don't forget to change your water filter on your fridge if it's time to do so. So thanks again to my sponsor for this video, Sears Parts Direct, for helping me get some nice clean water every time I need to get a drink. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this quick and easy tutorial on how to change the water filter on your fridge so that you can be drinking the purest water for you and your family. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos. I have a lot of other cool tutorials on cleaning all sorts of different things in your house, especially in your kitchen and your bathroom, and lots of cool things. So be sure to subscribe and hit up my parenting and travel and other videos as well if you're into that kind of thing. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. And now I think I deserve a little rest. Pregnancy pains, you know what I'm saying?